Welcome back, and today we're going to talk quickly about algebraic expressions. These guys are extremely language dependent, so it's kind of helpful to have a bit of notes, and I will try to put a link below where you can see the notes, so be sure to check that out. And it's a big vocabulary exercise here. The first number, this guy says the sum of x and 5. Sometimes instead of a variable, it'll say a number. Like literally, it'll say the sum of a number and 5. Well, you can just put x or y, any variable of your choice there. The sum of x and 5, you have to know that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So when you're solving these problems, I kind of like to put the operation above the word. That just helps my brain. And then, oh, this guy, it's pretty smooth, x and 5, put a plus in between, x plus 5. This is what the problem wants you to be able to do. You're done. That's it. We're just kind of learning skills and vocabulary in this level, or in this lesson, to set up for the future. Next one, take away 6 from y. Wheel, take away, I know that is subtraction. Do I go 6 minus y or y minus 6? Wheel, 6 from y. So the 6 gets taken from y. That means we're going to start with y. And then take 6 from y. Order matters with these guys. And again, it can be tricky. So it just kind of takes practice and looking at those vocabulary sheets. A two-step situation like this, 2 times x plus 11. Well, we're just going to write what we hear. 2 times x plus 11. Bop. There we go. There too, we have to understand that times means multiplication, or that these two numbers next to each other have an invisible times, and plus means addition. Last one's kind of tricky because there's two tricky parts in my opinion. 5 less than half of y. Wheel, less than is minus. What does half mean? Wheel, it means divided by 2. Okay, half of something, you split something in half. So 5 less than half of y. This is another one, kind of like when we had to take away 6 from y, how we kind of flip those numbers. 5 less than half of y. We start with half of y, which is y divided by 2. That's half of y. And then we go 5 taken from that, or 5 less than that. So 5 minus 5. Boom. There we go. Again, these guys are tricky. If it's helpful, when you're doing these problems, write the operation underneath each word. That's kind of the key phrase. Again, less than, we put a minus underneath it. Half, we put a divide by 2. Again, that helps my brain. It's pretty much, I think, a good way to show your work on these algebraic expression problems. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful, and have a